Hello everyone. So in this last lecture, we are going to summarize everything what we have learned, and we'll be discussing that what next and what you can do with this kind of technology and what kind of application you can build and how can you actually monetize your own solutions if you want, right? So before we go ahead, we would like to explain what is records keeper and what is one of the very strong use case of blockchain. So records keeper is a blockchain based record keeping technology for individuals as well as businesses. You can on the cloud or on the SaaS, you can actually maintain your own records, or if you are interested, you can use the whole technology as a backend technology in your existing infrastructure. We don't need any additional infrastructure or any additional compliances or additional processes to maintain the records. So our value addition is that we'll be able to give you the better record keeping, better data integrity checks, better proof of existence, better proof of ownership using the technologically advanced and stable methods rather than using the traditional technology which do not offer you the immutability and other features, and also gives you a very less trust on the stored data even after investing a millions of dollars, right? So whole this blockchain can reduce your cost to substantially a very low amount and can give you the more confidence than everything you have already. We also use the PKI infrastructure, so that's why it is highly private, and this can be used for the as a KYC solution. This whole solution is available as a SaaS, so if you want to maintain your startup records in just online platform in a fully automated way, you can try out our own website called recordskeeper.co, where you can sign up, create your own locker and upload your documents. So the use cases, there are tremendous use cases for a records keeper. So managing and structuring corporate records through automation, health records management in healthcare industry, invoice and receipt management for the supply chain industry and the logistic as well as the e-commerce industry, KYC solutions for bank, archiving solution for large enterprises, proof of ownership creation and existence, which we have actually demonstrated currently. And there are many more. So identity management are the another big advantages that we have seen for the blockchain. People are using the decentralized identity management system. So these kind of solution that you can build. So to summarize what we have learned so far in this course is like, lecture 1 we have overviewed, we've seen the overview of the entire course. In lecture 2 we have actually seen that what we are going to build, how the whole solution will work. In lecture 3 we understood about the blockchain and the multi-chain, what are the differences between these things, and how multi-chain is better than other existing solution in the market. In lecture 4 we have seen that our application infrastructure, that how this whole solution will work. In lecture 5 we actually set up the whole tools and techniques, the Apache, PHP, Composer, Git and everything, so that we can quickly build the solution and add library to our existing backend platform. In lecture 6 we have seen the how to set up the blockchain nodes. So we have set up the one node only in the backend, where you have seen that after setting up the blockchain, we launched the blockchain and also configured it to create a stream, right? A PoE stream where we have entered or published the key value pair into the blockchain streams. And in lecture 7 we have created the API. So lecture 7 has been split into two part 1 and part 2, and we created the RESTful APIs using the Slim framework to publish and retrieving the records which we have published using the other APIs. And we have actually confirmed everything using the command line interface, right? Then we jump to a web interface where we actually try to create a small interface where we can ask the user to enter certain information and submit. Once they submit it, we will call the RESTful APIs to submit the data into the blockchain streams and then retrieve them whenever the user comes to verify it, right? So so verifying the published PoE, we have done it using the command line interface in the backend by typing the commands like multi-chain hyphen CLI, then space, then chain one, the chain name, then list stream items or list stream key items as whatever we want to fetch, and then PoE, the name of the stream. It will give you the data available in the streams quickly from the blockchain directly. Then we have seen that what are the method to verifying the published PoE using the web interface. The best way is to share the link with anyone, and then he will be able to see yes, you had the access to that data. In lecture 11, last lecture, in this lecture we are summarizing everything, and we have already demonstrated this tool multiple times. And from now onward, I think you can do is you can build your own solution around this blockchain streams, and implement the APIs very quickly. So as we have already explained you the APIs structuring and how it works, you can use your imagination and build whatever you want to build very quickly. So that's very easy. So so thank you for attending this course. Finally you finished the last, or you came till the last. If you have any questions or query, please ask, and please give us the feedback and the review in the review section in the course. And that's it. Thank you for your time and everything.